Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in political sentiment, with a score of plus 0.25 and momentum at plus 0.15. This is unusual compared to historical averages, indicating a significant shift in public perception. With 18 semantic clusters detected, you can dive deep into the nuances driving this change. Our API returns detailed sentiment data that can help you understand public opinion trends in real time. For example, you could integrate this into a dashboard to visualize sentiment shifts around key political events, enabling your team to react promptly to emerging narratives. Curious to see how this can enhance your projects? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.